Welcome to Section 11, Command Line Arguments. So far, our Python programs have relied only on the input function to get data. However, real-world scripts may need to receive initial configuration or data directly when the program starts, without having to wait for the user to type something. 1. What is the command line? The command line, or terminal, is a text-based interface used to execute programs and manage files. When you run a Python script from the command line, you type Python 3 followed by the file name. 2. Defining arguments. Command line arguments are simply the additional pieces of information you pass to your program after the file name. They allow external systems or users to instantly configure the script. For example, here we are passing the words hello and world as arguments. 3. The sys module. In Python, these command line arguments are accessed using the built-in sys module. Specifically, we use sys.argv, which stands for argument vector. The sys.argv variable is a list that contains all the command line tokens. To summarize, you may use command line arguments to make Python scripts more flexible. The key tool for accessing them is the sys.argv list. Our next lecture 11.02. Command line arguments. See you there.